Hey there, tech enthusiast. Welcome back to BG News, your go-to channel for all things tech-related. Today, we're diving into the world of tech hacks, those clever little tricks and tips that can make a big difference in your everyday life. So grab your gadgets and let's get started. Let's kick things off with a smartphone hack that will boost your productivity. Did you know that you can use gestures to navigate your phone more efficiently? Simply enable gesture controls in your settings and say goodbye to endless tapping through menus. Next up, we have some battery-saving tricks for your devices. One simple hack is to lower your screen brightness and enable power-saving mode when you're running low on juice. You'll be amazed at how much longer your battery lasts. Tired of dealing with tangled cables and cords? Say no more. Invest in some inexpensive cable organizers or get creative with binder clips to keep your cables neat and tidy. It's a small change that can make a big difference in your workspace. If you spend a lot of time on your computer, mastering keyboard shortcuts is a must. Take some time to learn the shortcuts for common tasks like copying, pasting, and switching between tabs. You'll be amazed at how much time you can save. Say goodbye to paper clutter with this next hack, digital notes. Whether you prefer apps like Evernote or Google Keep, having all your notes organized and accessible on your devices can streamline your workflow and keep you organized on the go. Email overload is a common problem, but fear not. There's a hack for that too. Set up filters and labels to automatically sort your emails into folders, so you can focus on what's important without being overwhelmed by your inbox. Did you know that most smartphones and smart speakers have built-in voice assistants? Take advantage of this technology by using voice commands to set reminders, send texts, and even control your smart home devices, all without lifting a finger. Struggling to remember all your passwords? Consider using a password manager like LastPass or Dashlane to securely store and autofill your login credentials across all your devices. It's a game changer for online security and convenience. In a world where we're constantly connected, it's important to be mindful of our screen time. Use apps like Screen Time for iOS or Digital Well-being for Android to track your usage habits and set limits for yourself. Your eyes will thank you. Last but not least, don't be afraid to roll up your sleeves and tackle some DIY tech repairs. From replacing a cracked smartphone screen to upgrading your laptop's RAM, there are plenty of resources online to help you troubleshoot and fix common issues. And there you have it, 10 tech hacks to revolutionize your everyday life. We hope you found these tips helpful and that they inspire you to get creative with your gadgets. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to BG News for more tech-savvy content.